In this brief video, you're going to know my exact outlook, my exact forecast on HLBZ, and let's get right into the video. Nobody's doing this on YouTube for free. Let me put you on game. So, overall, today we're 3.22% down Friday. Like, again, that a correct prediction. I was expecting bearish moves, at least to deliver below the lows. We got that correct too. Just go check my previous video, you're going to see that. We're in a big demand area, and that is for the 3-day chart. So demand areas overall are something great, right? Basically, in demand areas, you want to look for upside moves, but not every demand area. For example, in this one, yeah, it's crazy because the thing is in a big bearish trend overall. Like, look at this, look at the performance, 95% down in the past year, just insane. Even the trend is bearish, so we have multiple confluence that are indicating this thing is bearish. Now, if I see, for example, right now it's moved to this high. If I see a break above there, I'm gonna look for maybe potential upside moves, but nevertheless, still looking for bearish moves like that. Let me know your thoughts on HLBZ. We're gonna wait and see. Stay tuned.